Hello, little friends. I'm Dr. Meow Mew, and today's question is super sweet. Why is eating too much candy bad for your teeth?
Who doesn't love candy? It's sweet, chewy, and also fun to eat.
Healthy teeth before candy. These are healthy teeth. They love to stay clean and shiny with toothpaste. Sugar sticks to teeth. But when we eat candy, sugar sticks to our teeth like this ... Bacteria arrive. Bacteria in your mouth eat the sugar and, oh, they make acid. Acid attack. The acid wears away your enamel and makes tiny holes called cavities. Warning! Candy isn't evil, but if you eat too much and don't brush well, your teeth get really sad. How to protect teeth. So remember to brush your teeth twice a day and eat candy in small amounts. Simple recap. Let's review the candy chain. Too much candy leads to sugar. Sugar feeds bacteria. Bacteria make acid. And acid causes cavities. Thanks for learning with me, Dr. Meow Mew. See you next time for more fun science. Bye-bye.